From X-rays to ICU monitoring, AI is silently working inside the hospitals. Let's break down AI in healthcare, and no technical knowledge is needed. Who all have visited first time on the channel, please do subscribe and watch. We'll see first in one line. What is AI? AI is nothing but artificial intelligence, means machines that can think, learn, and help doctors make better decisions using data. Here, AI does not replace doctors, but it supports them. And then, why healthcare needs AI, artificial intelligence? Here, the options: healthcare generates huge data, that's regarding lab reports. It may be X-ray, CT, MRI, and then prescriptions, and then patient history. Here, humans can't analyze all of this fast, but AI can. And then next we'll see how AI works in healthcare in a simple way. Here, data goes in, that is in the form of reports, images, symptoms, and then AI learns patterns from thousands of cases. And then here, AI gives suggestions or predictions how it will be. And then doctor makes the final decision. Here, doctor always stays in control. We'll see major uses of AI in healthcare. What are all the uses of artificial intelligence? First one, here, medical imaging, that is related to radiology. AI helps in detecting tumors, identifying fractures, and then finding TB, pneumonia, and stroke. Here it is used. AI is used in X-ray, CT scan, MRI, and ultrasound. Here, AI spots things faster and sometimes earlier. Next, laboratory in the field of laboratory and pathology, AI helps majorly. Here, for the abnormal blood reports, cancer cells in biopsy slides, and then pap smear screening. Here, it reduces human errors. AI reduces human errors, and then AI saves time. And then next, third one, disease predictions and diagnosis. Here, AI can predict the risk of diabetes, heart diseases, stroke, sepsis. Here, based on patient data, including trends, plus trends. Next, fourth one, treatment planning. Here, AI helps suggest best drug dose and then predicts side effects and then also personalized medicines, especially useful in cancer treatment. And then next, fifth one, in the field of virtual assistant and chatbots. Here chatbot acts as a digital assistant, that is to answering the questions or this one performing the tasks. Here appointment booking for symptom checking and then medicine reminders, and then it is helps for the patients and then reduces the doctor's workload. Next, in the hospital setting, hospital management, AI helps. Here, bed availability, ICU monitoring, staff scheduling, and then improves the efficiency and reduces costs. Next, AI in daily medical practice. Here some are the real examples I given. ECG interpretation support, and then smart insulin pumps, and then variables like this one, BP, heart rate, and then SpO2, like, and then remote patient monitoring. AI in daily medical practice it is. These are the some of the examples I have given. Next, benefits of AI in healthcare. Here, even for the faster diagnosing, this one, and then early disease detection, and then reduces workload, improved accuracy, and then better patient outcomes. You can see these are the benefits of artificial intelligence in healthcare. Next, limitations. What are all the limitations and concerns of AI? It's a very important thing. Don't forget, AI is not perfect, and then it needs quality data, and then bias is possible. It may be biased, and then data privacy issues, and then ethical concerns. Here, AI can assist, not replace doctors. This is an important thing, has to keep it in mind. AI can assist, it helps, it decreases the workload of doctors, but it cannot replace doctors. Next, AI versus doctor. Here, AI has no empathy, and then AI can't examine patient physically. Doctors are important, needed. Doctors plus AI is equal to best healthcare outcome we can see. Next, future of AI in healthcare. How it will be? AI will assist doctors more, improve rural healthcare, and then enables telemedicine, and then support preventive care. Here, but human judgment will always be essential. Next, here it is for the students, medical students, quick exam points. In the exam point of view, here AI types. ML, that is machine learning, deep learning. And then common uses is radiology, pathology. And then benefits of AI is speed and accuracy we can appreciate. And then limitations, it may be biased or ethics. And then role is decision support system. But it cannot replace doctors. If this video is useful, please give it a like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative topics. Thank you for watching.